In this video, I will show you how to clean gold earrings at home. Gold earrings, with their timeless allure, often find a cherished place in our jewelry collections. However, over time, exposure to the elements and daily wear can dull their brilliance. Fear not, for with a touch of care and some common household items, you can restore the sparkle to your gold earrings in the comfort of your home. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore various DIY methods to clean gold earrings, ensuring they shine just as brightly as the day you first adorned them. 1. Mild soap and water elixir. Our first concoction involves the gentle magic of mild soap and warm water. This method is suitable for most gold earrings, including those with intricate details. Procedure: create a soapy solution by mixing a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water in a bowl. Immerse the gold earrings in the soapy elixir and let them soak for 15-20 minutes. Employ a soft bristled toothbrush to delicately scrub away accumulated dirt and grime. Rinse the earrings under warm running water, ensuring all soap residue is washed away. Pat them dry with a soft, lint-free cloth. 2. Baking soda alchemy. For a slightly more potent mixture, we turn to the versatile baking soda, known for its gentle, abrasive properties. Procedure: create a paste by combining baking soda with a small amount of water until a thick consistency is achieved. Apply the baking soda paste to the gold earrings using a soft cloth or toothbrush. Gently scrub the earrings, paying close attention to any intricate details. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, ensuring all remnants of the baking soda are removed. Dry the earrings with a soft cloth, marveling at the renewed radiance. 3. Ammonia elegance. Ammonia, when used judiciously, can be a powerful ally in reviving the luster of your gold earrings. Procedure: mix equal parts water and household ammonia to create a solution. Submerge the gold earrings in the ammonia solution for no longer than a minute. Employ a soft toothbrush to gently brush away impurities. Rinse the earrings thoroughly with water, ensuring no traces of ammonia remain. Dry them meticulously with a soft cloth. 4. Vinegar and salt alleviation. Embrace the synergy of vinegar and salt for a natural yet effective cleaning solution. Procedure: form a paste by combining equal parts white vinegar and table salt. Apply the paste generously to the gold earrings, allowing it to sit for 10-15 minutes. Delicately scrub the earrings with a soft toothbrush, ensuring every nook and cranny is attended to. Rinse the earrings under running water, removing all traces of the paste. Dry them thoroughly with a soft cloth, reveling in their renewed brilliance. 5. Commercial magic elixir. If you prefer a ready-made solution, commercial jewelry cleaners can be a reliable option. Procedure: follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific cleaner you have. Ensure the cleaner is suitable for gold jewelry. Rinse the earrings thoroughly with water after cleaning. Dry them meticulously with a soft cloth, appreciating the professional touch. Tips for earring enchantment. Beware of abrasives. Avoid using abrasive materials such as paper towels, as they can leave scratches on the delicate surface of gold earrings. A gemstone caution. If your gold earrings boast gemstones, exercise caution with cleaning solutions to prevent any damage. Some gemstones may require specific care. Consult a jeweler. If uncertain about the best cleaning method for your particular earrings, seek advice from a professional jeweler. Conclusion: in the realm of DIY gold earring cleaning, the options are as diverse as the earrings themselves. Whether you opt for the mild soap and water elixir, the baking soda alchemy, the ammonia elegance, the vinegar and salt alleviation, or the commercial magic elixir, the key lies in treating your earrings with care and attention. With these methods at your disposal, you can embark on a journey to restore the brilliance of your gold earrings, ensuring they continue to captivate admirers for years to come. Mild soap and water. Gentle solution suitable for most gold earrings, effective for removing dirt and grime. Soak, scrub, rinse and pat dry. Baking soda alchemy. Utilizes the mild abrasiveness of baking soda for a deeper clean. Apply, scrub, rinse and dry for renewed radiance. Ammonia elegance. Harnesses the power of ammonia for an efficient cleaning solution. Mix, soak, brush, rinse and dry meticulously. Vinegar and salt. Alleviation. Natural cleaning with the combined power of vinegar and salt. Apply, wait, scrub, rinse and dry for enchanting results. Commercial Magic Elixir. Ready-made solution for a professional touch. Follow manufacturer's instructions, rinse and dry for a sparkling finish.